Welcome to Puzzle Time times 1. Our clue today is going to be the danger hand. So let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at this hand. And we are starting with the bidding. South is the dealer. And South is the balanced hand with 20 high card points and one long suit point. You get to count that long suit point. Even if you're considering opening one no trump, you want to count your fifth cards and beyond as 1 point each. So South opens up 2-0, balanced hand 20 to 21, and West passes. And let's look at North's hand. So North has, let's see, 4 high card points in spades and 5 high card points in diamonds. And then North gets a +1 for that 5th diamond. So North has 10 points and does some math. Okay, so we get excited when partner shows us 20 to 21 points, and we start thinking slam before we've even counted our points. So with North is 10 points, let's do a little math, right? If South has 20 and North has 10, that's only 30. And balanced hand opposite balanced hand actually needs more than 33 points. North's hand is a death shape, right? Super bad. If South has 21 points with North's 10 points, that's 31. We're still not close to 33. And again, with balanced hand opposite balanced hand, you're actually moving more towards 34 points for a slam. So North just wants to sign off in game, checks for the majors, no 4-card major or longer to talk about, and raises 2-0 to 3-0. All right, so we get the 6 of hearts opening lead, and dummy comes up. And now we are counting winners, right? As declared, we review the auction, no clues in the auction, and we interpret that 6 of hearts. Now we're missing the 5 and the 4 of hearts. So it looks to be like that 6 of hearts is a 4th best lead. Could be from a 5-card suit, could be from a 6-card suit, could be just from the good old 4-card suit. But with missing spots, you always have to be concerned that perhaps there's more cards in that opening lead hand in the lead suit than you were suspecting. So let's count our sure winners. We have 2 spade winners, the ace king of spades, and 1 winner in hearts on this opening lead. We're going to get at least 1 heart. 3 sure club winners, right? And we only have 7 clubs. So if we do the long suit development analysis on the club suit, the opponents have 6. Odds are they're 4-2, so we can only count on 3 winners at the beginning. And then 2 diamond winners, the ace king of diamonds. So 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're on the hunt for a 9th trick. And we have a couple of working suits, maybe clubs or 3-3. That would be nice, right? Life is good. Maybe the queen of diamonds is in west hand. But to find that out, we have to take a finesse into east. And maybe the queen of spades is on side, and that could be our 9th trick. But again, we have to take that finesse into east hand. So we're foreseeing there's a problem because all of our finesses are going into the danger hand. Now, let's step back. How in the world do we know east is the danger hand to begin with? Well, we can see the first trick going, okay, North plays low, East is going to play 3rd hand high, whatever they have. Maybe it's the 10, maybe it's the queen, maybe it's the ace, right? And return a heart. And then if East gets back on lead, they're going to return another heart through our remaining honors. So we have to do everything we can to keep East from leading through our heart suit in the south hand, right? If West gets on lead, they can't hurt us because they're leading into our suit and to the heart suit, right? So the first trick, let's see what the first trick does. Low to the 10, and the jack of hearts wins. Now, you have to stop and think about where the rest of the heart suit, right? Where the rest of the heart honors. Who has the ace of hearts? Who has the queen of hearts? Well, we play some what if games, right? I love my what if games. What if East held the ace, the 10, and at least one other heart? Well, there's no honor in dummy, right? No honor in dummy, no exception to playing 3rd hand high. If East held the ace and the 10 and another heart, East would play the ace. All right, so East doesn't have the ace. That means West has the ace. What if East held the queen 10x? Well, no honor in dummy, no exception to third hand. East would play the queen from queen 10x. So East doesn't have the queen. So if we put that ace of hearts in West hand, and we put that queen of hearts in West hand, and then we said that West had at least a 4-card suit there, and maybe more because we're missing 2 spot cards below. If East ever gets back in at any point, they're going to lead a heart through our remaining king 9. See how that king is all by itself, nothing to help it in North's hand, and West is going to take quite a few heart tricks, at least 3 heart tricks, if not maybe 4 or 5, depending on how many hearts West started with. So if East and West takes, let's say worst case scenario, hearts are, well, worst case scenario, hearts are 6-2, but let's say hearts are a normal division of 5-3, right? Missing 8, the odds are they're 5-3. And West has 5 hearts, and East has 3. Let's give them 10xx. Actually, 10x, excuse me. Hearts are 5-2. If this is the case, when East gets in with whatever card we let them in with, either with the queen of spades or the queen of diamonds, East is going to lead a heart through the king into West's remaining hearts. And the defense takes 4 heart winners and whatever trick East is in with, right? So we go down. All right, so now that we figured out East is the danger hand, what are we going to do about it? Our diamond finesse for the queen is going into the danger hand. Our spade finesse for the queen is going into the danger hand. So what do? Well, this is what you do. First of all, we're going to cash the ace, king, queen of clubs to see if they divide, because if they divide 3-3, we're not talking about this hand. You're probably figuring out about now, they're not dividing. And West discards not the ace of hearts. That would be sweet, wouldn't it? West discards the 2 of spades. And we now know we have only 3 club winners. So what you do, and this is a rule, and it is actually a rule, okay? And it comes up more frequently than you can ever imagine. If you have 2 working suits and both suits require a finesse, the finesse is the technique for the queen. When you're missing 2 queens and you have 2 finesses to take, and both of those finesses are going into your danger hand, this is what you do. First, we can cash our queen of clubs, and West shows out. So now what we do is cash the ace, king of diamonds in the suit that we have the longest cards in, right? Ace, and hope the queen shows up. When the queen doesn't show up, we fall back on the ace of spades, the shorter side suit, and we take a finesse into the danger hand. And if East wins the queen of spades, we're done. If the jack of spades wins, we cash our king of spades. And if you look at the board, we have 9 tricks in. So at this point, we would duck. East wins the queen, and they could cash off their clubs, or they could lead a heart through our king and let their partner take the remaining high card points. And the 8 of hearts is also a winner. Okay, so let's recap that. When you need a 9th trick and you have 2 finesses to take for the queen, and both finesses are going into your danger hand, first, cash the ace king in the longer side suit. That's diamonds in this case. If the queen falls, run them. If the queen doesn't fall, then go to your second side suit, the spades in this case, and take the finesse and stare at East. Sometimes you can scare them into not playing their honor. Not online though. Anyway, that's a story for another day. All right, thank you for joining me for Puzzle Time ×1. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me, Donna@playbetterbridge.com. And have a great day.